imagine, after the meek surrender of the West Indies in the just concluded two-test series against India, after being flogged and embarrassed by the Indians, West Indies coach Darren Sammy invited Gautam Gambhir, the Indian coach, to the West Indies dressing room to give a pep talk to the West Indies players. This is the coach of an international sports team inviting a rival coach to talk to his players. West Indies cricket done real poppy show. This coming like Jamaica play Trinidad in football and Trinidad beat Jamaica. And then Steve McLaren would then invite Dwight York to come and talk to the Jamaican players. Arsenal beat Liverpool in the EPL, and Arne Slot decided to invite Mikel Arteta to come into the Liverpool dressing room to talk to the Liverpool players. That would never happen. West Indies cricket is a total embarrassment. No quality, no fight, no heart, and no pride.